In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot of an entire web page. So let's get started. I'm using Google Chrome for this tutorial. You need to click on these three dots, go to Extensions, and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Here you need to search for Go Full Page without the spaces. Press Enter, and this is the extension you are gonna need. You'll see the install button right here, but I've already installed it. After the installation, you should be seeing this camera icon right here. If you don't, then click on this icon and make sure to pin this extension. Now to capture an entire web page, go to your required website link, then simply click on this button. Wait for it to do its magic. And there we go. As you can see, it has captured the full web page in high quality. You can download the screenshot as a PDF or PNG file. So that's it guys, try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.